Welcome friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the Java8 sorting feature by using string as well as a object. So sorting string, it's a very simple. It's by list.sort or stream.sorted. So basically I am using the stream.sorted list stream and the sorted Java8 feature. Okay. So both string as well as object, I have taken employee as the object. So first, when you are sorting string, so arrays dot as list. So it's a how to do in Java. So this is the list of the string how to do in Java. So if we have this string, then it will print how fast, then to, then do, then in, then Java, right? The order of insertion it will print it. Now, if we want to ascending order, so S1 comma S2 lambda S1 compared to S2, or you can write S1 minus S2. So it will print ascending order, do first DHIJT. So this way we are printing. Similarly, if we want a descending order, that is T first, then J, then I, then H, then D, right? T, J, I, H, D. So it's a descending order of the alphabet. Okay, so here we can do that. Just change it S2 first, then S1. And if we use string resolution operator compared to, then it will just ascending order. So this way we can uh, make that string comparison very easily. Similar to string, we can do or perform the operation for the object. For example, employee object. So it's the employee object. So a list of the name I have given Rabi, Swagata, Uma, Pratima. So if we print it, it will the order like Rabi, Sagata, Uma, Pratima. So it will be printing first name, first name, first name. So the way it will be inserted in the list, it will be printing here. Now, if we want to print it by first name and the ascending order, so is the dot compared to we have used in the string also. So similarly, if we compare the two employee object, right? So we need to compare by some attribute, either first name or the last name, either age. So here I have a first name u1 dot get first name compared to e2 dot get first name, then collect. Okay, and then if it is a shorted, then collection, it's a collectors dot to list, and then first name space get last name. So this way we are going to print it. So here employee ascending order we are sorting. So first by first name only, PRRS. We are not sorting last name. So is the Shagota is coming two times. So P is the first and the it's a just insertion order. We are not sorting here. If we need to sort here, we have the comparators dot comparing. Now sort by first name in the descending order. So if we use e2 dot get first name and u1, then it will be descending order. U first, then s, then s, then r. We are sorting only the first name. Now we need to use comparator dot comparing. So this comparator dot comparing have the features we can sort by first name as well as the last name. So first check with the first name only. So comparator dot comparing employee resolution operator get first name, then it will be PRSSU. So it will not shorting last name. It's the first name only. So if we have the first name, same first name, but different last name, it will not short the by last name. It's just insertion order. And so short by first name is done. And now sort by first name as well as last name. Comparator dot comparing employee get first name, then comparing employee get last name. So it's sorting both first name as well as last name. Now it will be sorted perfect. So that was our aim to sort employee but and both first name as well as last name. Let me show the same using the code. Okay, so here we have we have uh, so first we have string. This is the string. Now let me print the string first. Okay, so this is the string we have how to do in Java. Okay, if we print it, it will be how to do in Java. Okay, now we are going to sort one by one. First we are going to sort by string compared to dot collect. Okay, so it will be sorting uh, in the ascending order. Do first how in Java 2. Okay, the other way we can do the same. So s1 comma s2 lambda s1 compared to s2, so it will also give the same result. Okay, now we are going to sort by descending order. S1 comma S2 lambda S2 compared to S1. It will print 2 first TJIHD, right? So it will be descending order. Okay, so this way we can print string. Now the next part is sort by object. Is the custom object. I have used employee, right? So first we have the employee, list of employee. Now I am not going to sort anything. I am just print the list what we have. This is the existing list, first name and last name. So there is the, it will print in the insertion order. So here you will see that Rabi SSP is a UP. So the way we have in the list, it will be printing. Now next thing, we are not going to print it. We are going to print it old list. We are going to print it after sorting it. So ascending order by first name. So when you are sorting it, uh, if we have the two employee, this employee object and this employee object, we are going to sort by the first name. So here e1 comma e2 e1 dot get first name compared to e2 dot get first name, right? So if we uh, execute it, no, we have not printed the new list, right? We have not printed the new list. Let it print it. So here you can see PRSS. So sort by the first name is done, but not last name. So this way we are printing the ascending order. Another way we can print is the, if we descending order E2 first and then E1, then it will be printing in the descending order. Then it will be U first, USSRP. Remember that it is by default it is since it's the insertion order. So P first, this one, this last name first, then Bose is the second, Poddar and the Bose second. So this way it's not sorted actually by descending order. Now the next part is the comparator.comparing. So we have the Java, it has the features comparator and comparing. So if we are using comparator.comparing, this is the another way we can print the ascending order. Okay, so if we are using this comparator.comparing, employee get first name by first name only, not last name. So you see Poddar and the Bose. Poddar is the first. This is the just order. It should be Bose first, then Poddar. Okay. Next is I want to sort by first name. If we have the two same name, okay, then it should be by last name, first name then last name. So first I will check by first name, it will be sorted. Next, if we have the same first name, then it will be the last name sorting. Okay, so comparator dot comparing, and then comparing get last name. So this way we can sort both first name and last name. So let me execute it. So here you can see that first name it will compare, then last name. Okay, so here this way we can achieve our sorting features very easily using Java 8. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and hope you all the best. Thank you.